What's going on, guys? Here with another video. I know it's been how long it's been? 3 months?
It's been a long time. We apologize.
Yeah, it's been a long minute since we uploaded a video. It's just I mean, this car I feel like I got to the point of you know, things are starting to get real expensive. As far as like the bigger models, I want to do the finish the interior and, you know, other little stuff here and there, and that costs a lot of money. And y'all need to get on Cuzzo. Get on Cuzzo. For one, he's not here. He told me he was gonna be here, so that's already a fail. So Cuzzo, you're watching this, you let me down. So he's not here. We didn't really need him to put this on. Well, I haven't showed you put on what we're doing, but you know, he told me he was coming, and he's just making excuses. He's out there. He's a busy man, like I said in another video.
Yeah, he said he was gonna address the subscribers.
Yeah, cause you know everybody's been asking that Cuzzo needs to get some mods. Also, Cuzzo needs to get some mods, man. He's been slacking. But yeah, so on today's video, we're gonna be putting on the carbon fiber pillars on my Accord. So for the new people that don't know, this is my Accord. It's a 2019 Accord. Fully aired out, front lip, side skirts, the whole shebang. ESR wheels, 3-piece, and some interior, the red interior on it. So this is for like the new people that you know, don't know about the channel. But yeah, for the people that do know, so you already know what's up. But yeah, so these are the pillars. These are from Synth Carbon. I forget how much they were. They're like 120, 130 bucks. Can't really remember. But yeah, we're gonna go right here. There's 2 pieces. Obviously, this one, and then we're also gonna be putting on the one on the back. So I already have the mirrors from those guys too. We did the mirrors, so if you have an Accord and looking for those mirrors too, go to Synth Carbon. Not sponsored. But yeah, about to put these bad boys on. I believe they're just some double-sided tape and stick them on, clean up the area, and just put them on. So yeah, pretty easy. Sauce. All right, guys. So this is probably the 3rd take, 4th, 5th. I don't even know. We keep trying to stick it on there, but it's going crooked on us. So I already tried like 3 times. So my brother's about to try. It just sometimes you stick the bottom and then it sticks on. See? There it goes.
Can't forget the rooster in the back.
Cuzzo would have probably took off the tape as we're going, as he put it on, because we're in here. So it doesn't matter what Cuzzo would do. Is it good?
I think so. No?
Yeah.
Real close.
Yeah.
Better
yeah.
than the other ones.
Oh yeah, we're good now. Yep. Alright, I just gotta push it down now. My brother had to do it. I couldn't do it. Sheesh. Damn, that's good. Shiny. Not sure how good the camera pick it up. Oh yeah, bro, look at that. Look at the camera. Like if you come over here, look how good you can see it on the camera. Good?
Yeah, it's on there.
Yeah, good. Yeah, fitment's like perfect on these things, so that's why it's like kind of hard to get it on there. But yeah. All right, so I'm gonna try this one a little different, Rick. Goddamn roosters.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's always roosters. I got a neighbor over there with some roosters.
And they were quiet before we
There
started
we go.
recording.
They know we went live any minute. I watch.
Yeah, if y'all go back in our videos, you will always hear a rooster.
Yes, sir. So here we go. There he goes. Yep.
They're just saying hi to you guys.
Damn. There goes one.
Anything?
It's good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
First try?
Yeah.
Well, 1.5, I guess.
Yeah, that wasn't
Where that dog come from?
That wasn't as bad as the other one. What do you think?
Looks good.
Every video, how did I say? What do you think, Vic? You see it? Hell yeah. Not for this one. I feel like this is gonna be easier since it has like ankles.
I think it might be harder. Cause the other one's just straight. Just straight pillar.
Alright, I already cleaned this one. I started from the top on this one, right? Oh no.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're right. Nope. Little gap on the bottom, huh?
Not really.
Yeah, you see it. It's overlapping, you can tell.
Oh, okay.
How's that?
Cut up.
Yeah, I gotta push it in. Where?
Hmm?
What happened? Oh yeah.
That's like an air bubble in the middle right there. You have to pull it down and pull it and then put it back on. Right there. There it goes.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
There you go, boys.
Yeah, check it out this side. Okay, here we go. Oh?
Yeah. Good.
Good. How many tries is that?
I lost count, bro. We didn't even make an intro to this
Yeah, I know.
clip.
No air bubbles? Nope. Yeah, my bad.
So this the passenger side, guys.
Yeah, this is the passenger side. We already did like 3 or 4 times. So. Alright.
There it is.
Time for the
The back door.
back door. You gotta listen to the lyrics.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh shit, boys. One try. Fuck it.
Got it. Everybody knows the rules.
Woo! I feel like that was easier. Why?
I don't know.
Yeah. Was it good?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright. Which one is? Try to do one hit. What do you think? I don't think so. About to do this back piece, boys. Okay.
Got it?
Did I?
Looks like it. Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. No. Too low? What do you think? Hanging off
A
there.
little piece.
Yeah, it is. On the window trim. What? There, right?
Yeah. Got it, boys.
Damn. Okay, there's an air bubble. Fuck. Right there.
When you put them on, you got to be careful whenever they tend to get air bubbles. So
Yeah.
sometimes we put them on perfect and then there's air bubbles and we got to redo it. But for the most part, we've only had like two air bubbles.
And then on one of them, we just had like a little piece of dirt on the double-sided tape, so it looked like it was an air bubble, but it wasn't. Yep. Those are it, boys. Let's clean them up. Yeah. Let's see, huh? Wish we had more sun. Maybe I could pull it up over there.
Or HQ.
Yeah, maybe we should go over there and take a little video. In the sun, you can see, pop some more, just like these. Cool.
Yeah.
You see it? Cool. Yeah, boys, probably got a little spot right here down the street, and try to get some good pictures or good like little send of the trims. So yeah, look, easy install. Well, it wasn't easy. It was easy. It's easy to install, but you just got this a little finicky with it. But yeah, I'll do the outro over there. Sounds. Gotta put this guy to work since he wasn't here.
I know I'm gonna hear it on the next one.
Since he wasn't here to install these pillars.
You got a razor?
No.
First of all, I'll say this much in my defense. I had a Christmas party for my job, and I was pretty toasted. I don't remember.
Excuses.
I don't remember talking to him that night, and what we talked about, I blacked out.
Alright, boys, so that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. So we got the carbon fiber pillars, so now everything kind of flows with the mirrors and the now the pillars. So now I need to do the interior. I don't know what I told you, but I have that plastic, what is it called?
Who did this job? Because it's coming off already.
See what I tell you guys? You guys are already talking crap.
Because y'all were talking crap about me.
Already talking crap.
Oh, Cousin was supposed to be here, but you know,
Yeah.
Cousin wasn't here.
Yeah, guys, he decided to show up today just because he didn't show up last week.
Just for the outro.
Just for the outro. But yeah, I already messed up my lip. Cousin came over here to fix it. This part was coming off right here. So what happened, I ended up dragging it, and now there's a chunk missing. But it'll be alright, we'll get a new one.
But that's the life of living low.
So, Robert, you'll probably be here.
I'll be here gonna do it.
Probably a couple weeks. We'll see when I get it. I don't know. It's not bothering me that much yet. Not yet. But yeah, so unfortunately we ain't got no sun. We can't get a good view of the pillars. Sucks because when the sun hits it, it pops a lot more. But I mean, you get the gist of it. Sick. Sorry on there. Cause it was coming off real. It's not, man. It's not coming off. That's not it.
Yeah, and then whoever did this, y'all didn't wipe it down. Did y'all clean the surface?
You'll see on the video.
Alright, because I'm gonna critique you.
He can't critique me if he wasn't here, so that don't even matter. But yeah, boys, that's gonna do it for this video. And I know it's been a minute since we uploaded, so we'll see when Cuzzo or Vic gets them out on that camera. So
yeah, it's gonna be a minute.
All right, boys, we'll catch you on the next one. Sauce.
Cuzzo, any last words for the fans? Your fans?
I ended up with sauce.
If you were that blue Accord cruising next to me on 290, sauce.